D for demographic and social changes, R as in resource scarcity, I as in inequalities, V as in volatility, scale and complexity, and E as in the enterprising dynamics. The workforce these days are very different from the workforce in the past. Companies ultimately what they want to look for are people who possess the technology skills. So in some shapes or forms, the workforce is already built in the needs required by the companies. Going forward, companies are going to be more and more technology orientated. And what I've seen, what I've observed is that more and more companies are becoming less and less of what they are and more becoming technology integrated. Then the question here is, how can we find the right humans to work with the machines in order to make sure that the companies will be able to continue to create values, for themselves, for the society as well.